Hello guys, my name is Trevor, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to code and the basics and how to code in HTML5. So first thing you want to do is I recommend this editor. It's called Blue Griffin. It's a really nice editor. You can do bunches of things and you don't even have to know how to code. But it is recommended, and since this is a coding course, I will be teaching you how to code. So the first thing you want to do is to save a new file. You're going to want to click new. It's going to make an untitled thing. You're going to do save as. And yeah, you should name it whatever you want. I'm naming it updated because the first time I recorded this video, it didn't save, and I want to know the difference between both files. So HTML web design updated. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to first, I recommend changing into dual view and then extending this border all the way out, so it's a nice lighten like this. So now what you're gonna do, if you don't already, you're gonna wanna put the title as whatever the name of that is, but it should automatically set it based on the name of your file. So now the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is make a background player. So to do that, you would go into this body tag. You would, not the closing brackets, not in between the closing brackets, not anything like that. Just go into the first tag, do space, BG, color, which stands for background color, equals, and just put any basic color, like pink is good, pink it should load in a few seconds, yep. Red is good, red should load in a few seconds. And then purple, like blue, don't stick to any, like, I don't know, like, complex colors. Like don't do turquoise because, wait, let me try turquoise. Does it even work? Turquoise. Yeah, it doesn't work. There's nothing for turquoise. So you can do red. For now, I'm gonna do magenta because I don't know. I just like how it looks. So first, like tag I'll be showing you guys. If you don't know what a tag is basically like kind of like a thing that you put at the beginning. Like in this case, this one where it says opening brackets title, closing brackets, that would count as a tag. That's a tag, and then the closing tag. So that's how it works. And then so now the first thing you're going to do, the first tag I'm going to show you is the heading tag. So you would do H, it stands for heading, and you would put like whatever you want. But H would just do regular text, but to make a heading, you have to do H2, for example. It would make it big and like nice. So to change the size, each one is the biggest. I'm pretty sure. That's what I learned. I'm pretty sure that each one is the biggest. And then, so 1 is the biggest, and then the higher the numbers go, the smaller the text is. So it's H3. It's smaller. H2, it's like, it's in the middle. And then H1's like basically like a kind of a title of your page. So yeah, so I'm just gonna keep it to H2 because that's what I usually do. I just like it. So you can type anything really here. I'm just gonna type HTML web design. Okay, so just don't mess up like that I just did. Don't like delete something in the closing tag and like re-enter it. Like don't just re-enter it. Like, wait, whatever. It's okay. Sorry. So you type whatever you want in the middle, and then to center your text, here's what you would do to center your text. So actually, sure, that's good. Okay, so now what you would do is you would get so the next tag is paragraph default and center tag. So the center tag basically, as it's kind of self-explanatory, it just centers the text, and then the paragraph default tag is used with P. So I know it kind of sounds weird, but like you have to do brackets P and then closing brackets P. So basically, in the middle of here, you would write whatever text you want. So you can do HTML. So and then it should pop up yep, it's center text. It's nice. Yeah. So yeah, that's basically how you center, and that's the paragraph to follow tag. Paragraph to follow tag is just regular like text tag. So the next tag is the line break tag. The line break tag is basically just skips a line, no closing tag, no nothing, just skips a line for you. So this next tag I'm going to show you is the button tag and the link craft tag. So as all, you could center your buttons, or you might, but some people don't want to center their button. It depends who you are if you want to center your buttons or not. So yeah. So when you click on a button, it usually takes you to another page. So you need another link to another page. So you do opening brackets, a href, or you could do link href. There's two different things, but I learned to do a href. I never learned to do link href. So I usually just do a href, but I recommend doing link href so you know it's a link. So now what you do is you could create a new tab and then save this as maybe whatever you want, really. Yes. Okay, and then it's gonna be over here, right? So then what you would do is you would go wherever you saved it to. That's where you would go to. You would go there. It would take you to whatever your main browser is, and it's basically showing up over here. So you would copy this URL that's over here, copy it, and then what you would do here, in the link ref, you'd put the link. So now what you would do is you would do wait, let me just change to a href because I don't know, I just like it that way. Now what you would do is you would do /a, and then in here, like over here on this closing brackets, you would rate what you want, like stuff. That's the name of it. So if you put stuff, it would do stuff. So when you take it there, when you click, so when you viewed this, when you viewed this, wait a second. Yeah, so when you view this, it would be like this. Click stuff, it would redirect you to stuff. So now what you would do is so you would go to stuff, and then here you would just you could just like to here and stuff. You could so the next tab, basically you could just do whatever you want and stuff. So the next tag I'll be showing you guys is the audio tag. So let me just in the background color. I mean red, actually, that's nice. So the next tab I'll be showing you is the audio tag. So what I really like, I don't know the actual audio tag. It's really hard, and I don't think one of my browsers just really, my computer doesn't like cooperate. I don't know why, but whenever I do the audio tag, my computer just doesn't operate. So you can go to audio. You could choose a file. In this case, you could choose this one song. Open it. Okay, let me check my volumes. Yeah. So what you could do is you could play. You could show audio controls. I would have been putting metadata, and then yeah. So click OK. And also make sure to test it out before you actually do it. So now when you play it, yeah, it's gonna play the song or whatever audio you want. And so I actually know the audio tag. It's just really complicated for me. I don't know why. It just is for some reason. I don't know. Because I found that my computer wouldn't cooperate. The play button wouldn't work. So I recommend using this editor for that reason too. And then So now it should be like this, and you save it. If you don't click save, it won't come up. The things that you already did won't come up. So yeah, it shows up like that. And now a good thing to do is to make a go back button. So to make that, you would just make a button. Why would I capitalize the N? Okay, so you can do a ref equals. You would go here. Go to here. Open here. You're gonna copy this link. And then what you would do is you would paste it there. And then now what you would do is you do /A. So now in between this space between the closing brackets and the /A, you would put the name of the button. So go. Wait. Huh? Wait, what? Wait, never mind. Wait, it's just a little thing that happened. Okay, wait, let me repaste it. So you'd put closing brackets, and then you would put your text over here. So go back. Yeah, and the go back button should come up. What I recommend is doing this. You would enter BR, yeah, it's gonna go over here. So now save it, save, exit out, stuff, go back, takes you back to this web page. So yeah, basically, so yeah, it's the first program, and then so yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. I hope you learned something good. See you guys in the next video. Also, this will be a series on how to learn HTML5 coding. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.